Hello everyone. Welcome back to Phone Farm Solutions. In this video, I want to explain how a box phone farm works in real life, not in theory. In simple terms, a box phone farm is just many real smartphones placed inside one box, powered on all the time, and connected to the internet. Each phone is a real device with its own system, apps, and connection. The difference is that you don't need to touch them physically. You control everything remotely from your computer or browser. At Phone Farm Solutions, we see this as a practical solution. Instead of handling phones one by one, you can view screens, control apps, restart devices, and check status from one place. This saves a lot of time, especially when you work with many phones at the same time. Another important point is stability. A box phone farm is built to run continuously, so phones stay powered, organized, and monitored. When need more equipment, you simply add more devices or boxes without changing the whole setup. In the next videos on Phone Farm Solutions, we will show real examples, common setups, and tips to help you avoid beginner mistakes. If this video is helpful, subscribe to Phone Farm Solutions, turn on notifications, and feel free to leave your questions below. Thank you for watching.